Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. On this channel, I share simple tech tutorials for beginners using Android phone. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to add channel art to your YouTube channel, okay? Channel art is normally located here. So I'll be showing you how you can add the channel art here using your Android phone. The first thing you're going to do is to go to the Chrome app browser on your phone. You tap to open. Once it opens, you go to the address bar. You type in www.youtube.com. Then it opens your page, okay? Then the next thing you're going to do is to go to these three dotted lines. You tap on it. Then you go to desktop site. You tap on it. So once it opens, you can zoom. You go to your profile picture, you tap on it. Then you go to your channel, you tap on it. Once you go to your channel, you're going to see customize channel. You tap on customize channel. So once you tap on customize channel, you're going to see, let's zoom so that you can see it. You're going to see layout, branding, and basic info. So what you want to do is to tap on branding. So once you tap on branding, this is where you're going to upload the channel art, okay? This is for the profile picture, then this is for the channel art. So next thing you're going to do is to upload the channel art by tapping on upload. Once you tap on upload, you go to your browser to look for the image. Okay, here is the image I want to add. What I'm going to do is to tap on the image. Okay, here is the image. Let me zoom back. So once you tap on the image, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on done. Then you tap on publish. Once you tap on publish, as you guys can see, go to channel. Okay, you can zoom, then you go to your profile picture and tap on it. Let's check how it looks like on our channel. Once you tap on it, you go to your channel. And here is our channel art. Okay, so this is basically how you can add channel art on your YouTube channel using your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one.